Hi guys, we've got a couple of vehicles today to show. This one is 2021 Volkswagen Tiguan. Surprisingly, this is the first time we've done this car in New Zealand. It is very popular in Europe though. Has a very good delivery position for the wheelchair. So it delivers the wheelchair right to the driver's door. And then we have another car which is very identical. It's pretty much the same chassis. It's Skoda Kodiaq, but because of the small difference in height of the luggage compartment, the delivery position of this car is not as great as the Volkswagen. It's still reasonably okay, but you can see straight away that there is a small gap between the front door and rear door, so we can't deliver the wheelchair in this car closer. But another one is pretty good.